Welcome to my YouTube channel Unfold Biography. Today we will talk about Hazrat Abu Bakr. Let's start the video. Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq was born in 573 CE in Mecca, in the Arabian Peninsula. His full name was Abu Bakr Abdullah bin Abi Quhafa, and he belonged to the Quraysh tribe, one of the most respected tribes in Arabia. Abu Bakr's father was known as Abu Quhafa, and his mother, Al-Khair, was also from a well-respected family. He grew up to be known for his honesty, kindness, and wisdom. Even before becoming a Muslim, Abu Bakr was recognized for his integrity. Abu Bakr was a successful merchant and well-known in Mecca for his good character. He was highly respected and a trusted individual in his community. His early life was free from the vices that others in Mecca were involved in, such as idolatry or dishonesty. His nature made him an ideal companion to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, when he started preaching Islam. Abu Bakr was one of the first people to accept Islam when Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, began his mission at the age of 40, around 610 CE. One of the key roles Abu Bakr played in the early days of Islam was in supporting the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. When the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, faced opposition and danger, Abu Bakr was always by his side. He was instrumental in providing protection and resources to the Muslim community. His unwavering support during these difficult times helped strengthen the position of the early Muslims. Abu Bakr's commitment to Islam was evident when he was chosen to accompany Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, during the Hijrah, the migration from Mecca to Medina, because this journey was a significant event in Islamic history. As they hid in the cave of Thawr to escape the enemies of Islam, Abu Bakr's bravery and loyalty were proven. He remained calm and strong in the face of danger, and he ensured the Prophet's safety during this critical time. After the migration to Medina, Abu Bakr continued to be a key advisor to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. He held a special place in the Prophet's heart, and their bond was one of the closest among the companions. Abu Bakr also played an important role in various battles, such as the Battle of Badr and the Battle of Uhud. His contributions were not only in battle but also in spreading the message of Islam and supporting the growing Muslim community. Upon the death of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, in 632 CE, there was uncertainty over who would lead the Muslim community. The companions of the Prophet gathered and chose Abu Bakr as the first caliph, leader of the Islamic State. His caliphate marked the beginning of a new chapter for Islam, as he was responsible for ensuring the stability of the Muslim community, consolidating the lands they had conquered, and continuing the work of the Prophet. As the first caliph, Abu Bakr faced several challenges, including rebellious tribes who wanted to break away from the Muslim state. However, his strong leadership and determination helped him unite the Arabian Peninsula under Islam. He also initiated the compilation of the Quran, ensuring that the revelations received by Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, were collected into a single book. This effort was critical for preserving the teachings of Islam for future generations. Abu Bakr ruled as caliph for just over 2 years, from 632 to 634 CE. His leadership was marked by fairness, wisdom, and compassion. He passed away in 634 CE at the age of 61 and was succeeded by Umar bin Khattab. Hazrat Abu Bakr is remembered as one of the greatest companions of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and a crucial figure in the establishment and expansion of Islam. His life is a model of piety, loyalty, and service to the Muslim community. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment down.